I'm skeptical of a lot of things in the UFO community, but I'm not skeptical of the reality we're in. There are other intelligences that are occupying space with us. I think we're going to find that out in a lot clearer vision in the coming years. There are things happening, people in very professional settings doing extremely sophisticated work on breakthrough innovations and technologies that are having experiences that defy the normal. I am telling you, people who are normal, rational, scientific, reductionist minds who are at the forefront of doing very special things with very special technologies, they are having paranormal experiences because of these technologies. There are events taking place that are starting to completely undermine the fabric of our models for physics, our models for consciousness. There are things happening right now that are just completely changing the way most of these scientists look at the world, look at their own lives. You know, I'm serious. There is a lot of existential consideration being taken by people in very important positions. Yeah, we certainly do live in a really wild time. I think if Terence McKenna was alive, he'd be screaming from the rooftops, you know, that the singularity is upon us, the eschaton, the transcendental object at the end of time. It's right there now. I mean, can you feel it? Can you feel this sense that there's just no way things can carry on the way they are for much longer? Do you get that? Because I really do, and I'm not alone. I mean, a lot of the people I talk to in quiet words, we all feel that there is just a time limit to this. It feels like the old world. It feels like we're living in the old world. There's a transition coming. It's basically here. We're essentially in the middle of it. We're feeling the turbulence, the force of it. It's rattling our cages in good and bad ways, in positive and negative. It's getting stronger and stronger. Do you feel that? Because it does feel like it's building up. And do you sense that that building up can go on for much longer, a decade? Can things carry on the way that they kind of are for 10 years, 5 years? There's just so much change. It can be intimidating and hard to deal with. But I'm also seeing people waking up all over the place, like literally people you would never have expected to just start questioning things, and then they're questioning things. It's like, yes, even those who were really captured by the way the system captures you are now coming out of it and going, you are treating us wrong. You know, I think what we're coming to is a time of realization that we are powerful. All of us, each and every one of us is a very powerful entity, and we've been subjugated, we have been suppressed, we have been put to heel by powerful interests for a very long time, because people don't actually understand how powerful they are.